Hello everyone. I thought I'd do the project share from our Wednesday night to show you what I used and things for my altered tissue box that looks like this. As you can see, it's one of the larger regular like Kleenex. It's actually a Kleenex tissue box, and the hardest part of doing this was cutting, not just cutting the top off, but cutting these angles to get them even. And I got this idea by watching a video from Stamperia, who's a very crafty lady that is either in Australia or New Zealand. I forget which, so forgive me. So my starting point was out of this paper pad, which I had picked up at Joann's a little while back, not too long ago. It's their own brand they seem to have now, Park Lane. And it had 24 sheets, and I used this one, both sheets. There's 2 of each of 12 designs, and this one, I think only 1 of these, but both sheets of these. And I have a few scraps left from both, so I'll be keeping them and using for a separate project. But the idea behind this box is to be able to store your cards in it, which is why I liked it. Because, you know, I make quite a few cards, so, and they fit just perfectly in the box. So I may store just birthday cards or just thank you cards or whatever in this little box. And maybe I'll make some other ones in the future to hold others. Now, I probably should put my cards in plastic sleeves like my friend Paige does to preserve them. We'll see. I don't know. So anyway, I used that paper, and originally I hadn't done the bottom, and then I thought I better do the bottom, so I did. And you'll see I used this really heavy-duty seam binding I had gotten there was a ribbon plant, I don't know if it was last year or 2 years ago. This was 54 yards of this textured kind of seam binding. I guess that's what it's called. I probably paid maybe $1 or something for this. I forget. I probably have it in a haul video from a year or so ago, 2 years ago maybe. Anyway, there was a ribbon closeout place, and that was one of the things I got. So I put it around the bottom edges here, hot glued it on. I also put that on the inside seams, most of them, for extra durability. Plus the paper didn't necessarily line up exactly right. And then on the top, all around the top, I used this that I got at Tuesday morning apparently, and it's a stretchy, but it's a double layered lace, so you know, I could put it like over the top edge like this and have it go inside and outside. So I used that. I think that's the same one. Yeah, it is. So I kind of stretched it out as I went, and then on top of that, I put this beautiful trim, which I'm pretty sure I got from Hobby Lobby online. Yes, Hobby Lobby, but I got it online. There were 3 yards of it, and it's like pearls with little pink, light pink flowers in it, so that I used. And then on the edge, I had bought this from I think from Tina's Crafty Life maybe, and it has these holes to put ribbons through, and I thought, well, I had these bright pink satiny flowers that Joyce Falgett had gifted to me, as well as this pink one and these little tiny lacy purple ones. So I put the lace all the way around the box, and I used this satin ribbon from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Greenbrier, it's Dollar Tree. And I wove it in between the lace all the way around. And then I just had some of these little pink rosebuds from, I get them at Walmart, or they have them other places too in packs. So I glued a couple of those down. And then I just put these on the front, and that did it. That was my box. I really love how it came out. A lot better than I thought. That looks so red there, but it's definitely like a hot pink color ribbon and background flower. And then this is pale pink. That looks right. Pale pink and purple. And then this is the hot pink again. So these two have the same like gem center, but these have different centers. One's pearl and one's whatever. So thank you, Joyce. I see I'm using my stuff. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it came out. So I hope you like it too. And I just wanted to go over a little more about what I did, because you can't really tell that necessarily on the Wednesday lives. So even though I hosted, I thought I'd give you a little more detail on what I did. I'm pretty sure that Tina and Kathy will probably be posting videos if they haven't already. Tina was a little under the weather, so I don't know when, but hers was the witch one. And Kathy did a wonderful Paris themed. They both did the stand-up boxes, which I was supposed to do, but I only have one and it's in my car, number one. And two, this box was almost just empty, and then I had seen the Septeria thing and I thought, I need to do that. That'll work for me. Yeah, so that's what I did, and I love it. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.